Don't jump on Claire. Andrew, you scared Claire. Be nice. Good boy, Andrew.
She thinks you're funny. Oh, is that her, Lovey? That's your elephant, Claire. Ooh. Alright, Claire, lay down. Where's your pillow? Daddy's gonna read books. Lay down on your pillow, Claire Bear. It's like, get away from me, bro. Mama, he's touching me. Aww. Alright, Andrew, get up. You're laying on our legs. She don't like it.
Hey, you're laying on Claire. Sit up. You're being nice, but she's little and you're big.
What book do you want to read? Huh? Where's Claire? Where's Claire? There she is. Where's Andrew? Where's Claire? Where's Claire? Where's Claire? What book do you want, Andrew? Fire truck. She doesn't want you to lay next to her, Andrew. You're touching her. Aw, night-night, Claire Bear. Oh, no. Claire, no. No hitting, Claire. No. Claire, no. Claire, no. That's paybacks, Andrew. They're coming. Just wait. Don't knock her over. Careful. Gentle. Be gentle. Alright, sit up. Let's do story time. Here comes Daddy with the book. Night-night time.